New Zealand's Scott McLaughlin out of Bathurst 1000 after car problems. New Zealand's Scott McLaughlin out of Bathurst 1000 after car problems. Scott McLaughlin had started on pole. Pre-race favourite Scott McLaughlin's charge for a maiden Bathurst 1000 victory is over. With co-driver Alexander Premat at the wheel, McLaughlin's car came to a halt on the Mount Panorama course on lap 76. The car had been struggling with mechanical problems in the wet conditions after starting on pole, and the QA driver said they had been experiencing oil pressure woes. Scott McLaughlin drives the number 17 Shell V-Power Racing. Another unlucky year for at McLaughlin 93-9 Bathurst 1000 Michael AL, at Michael LFCNZ, October 8, 2017.